आजा बादशाह, कहाँ रह गया? ये शिवम चैंपियन लेक्समेशन है। ये शिवम है।
Did not listen to him.
शिवम है, कर बात शिवम है।
To the end of the rope and started walking. The goat followed them. He came across a small stream. There was a bridge on it.
Connected.
As soon as they crossed the bridge, they saw a small bag near a bush.
कौन सा क्लास है?
Gopal leaped ahead and quickly picked up the bag.
अबे कौन सा?
Gopal was excited as he opened the bag. There was money in it. He said,
कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है?
Look, I have found this bag.
सब्जेक्ट
There
कौन
is
सा?
money in it. It is mine.
इंग्लिश।
money. Half of it is mine. Gopal
गोपाल कौन है इन दोनों में?
said,
No, I picked up the bag first, so it belongs to me.
Shiv was sad. They kept on walking. Gopal was happy. After some time, they met a man. He told them the police were looking for the thieves who had stolen a bag of money.
What is this?
Then Gopal told Shiv,
What is this baby?
Now we are in trouble. The police will surely find us. We will be caught.
Shiv quickly turned and said,
Do not say we are in trouble. Since you get the money, you are in trouble. You did not give me the goat or share the money with me. So I will not be caught. Since the bag is with you, you will be punished.
After saying this, Shiv went away.
The Grady.
Now children, you have to read the lesson very, very carefully and pay attention to the pronunciation. You will read the lesson with me very carefully, quietly, without touching anything, and you will listen to the pronunciation. The greedy traveler. Already we explained you in the video what is greedy. Who is greedy? Greedy is a person who wants more and more. The person is never satisfied.
It
The
was
person does not like to share
hot
also.
day.
Don't talk children in between. Please mute your mic. आपकी आवाज से सब डिस्टर्ब होते हैं. Please do not say anything in between. Listen very very carefully बेटा. बेटे क्लास 1 से क्लास 2 में जब हम आते हैं तो थोड़े से ज्यादा बड़े हो जाते हैं. We become more intelligent. You have to follow the instructions given by the teacher बच्चे. You will not touch the mic. Please बच्चे don't touch any button does not want to share. He behaves, the person behaves very selfishly. उसको बिल्कुल शेयर करना अच्छा नहीं लगता. So, and who is a traveler? Traveler is a person who likes to travel, who goes from one place to another. So let us start the lesson. You will please pay attention on the pronunciation of each and every word. It was a hot day. Two travelers were walking on a road. They were going to the city. After some time, they were tired. This is a story of two travelers. Travelers are the people who like to travel. So these two travelers were walking on a road. They were traveling by road. They were going to the city. कहाँ जा रहे थे? They were walking towards the city. And after some time, they were tired. When do you feel tired? We feel tired when we keep doing some activity for very long time. So they were walking and walking और वो tired हो गए, थक गए.
walking on a
So what did they do when they got tired?
road.
They sat under a banyan tree. वो दोनों banyan tree के नीचे बैठ गए. You saw in the video such a big banyan tree and there was lot of shade under it. So tired travelers sat under a shade. When they sat down, one said to the other, "Hello, I am Gopal." The other man said, "Hello, I am Shiv." So children, they said hello to each other because they did not know each other. Like in your class also, when you see a new admission, you don't know the child's name. So you always introduce each other by greeting each other with the words hello, how are you, and then you become friends. So they also said hello to each other. They talked to each other for some time. When you greet each other, you try to know each other. Then they started talking for some time. Then they started walking again. Since they had taken rest, they got energy to walk again. After taking rest, they started walking again. When they went a little ahead, can you see children? Little ahead? Yes, just see this word. H-E-A-D. Head, right? You know the spelling of head. We added O in front of it. It became a head. And the meaning completely changed. Ahead means when we walk forward. So this is your English game also, beta. From one word you can find so many words. In ahead, the spelling of head is there. When they went a little ahead, they saw a goat. Gopal quickly caught the goat and said, "Look, I have found a goat. I will take it home. It is mine." अब गोपाल ने was quickly caught the goat. What is the meaning of this word quickly? Fast, very fast. He was very greedy, beta. तो जैसे ही उसको गोट देखा उसने जल्दी से पकड़ लिया. He caught it. So he caught the goat and immediately said, "I will take it home. It is mine. ये मेरी है." So, and children, did you notice after this word look, there is an exclamation mark. जब भी हमें कोई चीज दिखती है which makes us happy or which makes us sad or we fall down, when we get hurt we say oops, oh look, we use this word, we can see this word which is called exclamation mark. This mark shows our sudden feelings. हमारी feelings बताते हैं ये हमें. जैसे गोपाल की feeling बताई. He became very happy as he saw the goat. He quickly caught it and said, "It is mine." So, and did you see how happy he became? Suppose you get your present, you become very happy. If your mama gets something for you from your market, you become happy. So Gopal was also happy here. Then Shiv said, no, it will not say I found it,
हाँ सब
but we found it. शिव ने क्या बोला उसने? I did you also? We had circled this word I and you for you. Because I mean he is हम and actually तो कोड उन दोनों ने देखा था ना एक साथ. That we found it. Remember, we saw the goat together, but Gopal did not listen to him. Remember का मतलब होता है याद रखना कि हमको गोट देखा था एक साथ. Together is एक साथ. But Gopal did not listen to him. You know what he did after that? He died. Held the other end of the rope and started walking. The goat followed them. अब उसको he was so greedy. He wanted to take the goat home. अब goat को घर लेके जाने के लिए उसने क्या करा? जल्दी से एक रस्सी बांधी उसके neck के around. आपने देखा था ना वीडियो में भी कि कैसे उसने रस्सी बांध लिया and he took the other end of the rope and started walking. Because of the rope, the goat started following them. What is this word followed? It means it came after them. So then what happened? Then they started walking again.
again.
They came across a small stream. Children, what is a stream? You've seen pond full of water. So stream is a narrow river. It is a river is very broad. Similarly, stream is narrow.
अब ऊपर से पढ़ेंगे. देश कम और
This come
अक्रॉस. बड़ा सारा आपका जो है ना
small
शिवम कुमारी रीड करो रीड करो.
THERE there was a bride on it as soon as they rode less it crowds the BRIDGE bride THE by there was a small big bag near a bush. Gopal lifted AHEAD head and
Very happy. Whenever you see something, it makes you really happy if it is your favorite. He saw the bag, he was so greedy, he became very happy. He was excited and opened the bag. There was money in it. Oh my God, there was a lot of money in the bag. He said, look, I have found this bag. There is money in it. It is mine. Again, he was so greedy. As soon as he opened the bag and he saw उसमें बहुत से पैसे हैं, he became so excited, became so happy that he said, ये तो सारे मेरे हैं. It is mine. The whole bag. The money is mine. Shiv said, finally Pete, we saw the bag together.
SHIV Shiv
You cannot
was
keep all the money. अब शिव ने कहा इससे, नो वी सॉ द बैग टुगेदर एक साथ देखा. यू कैन नॉट कीप ऑल द मनी. आप नहीं रख सकते सारा मनी. Half of it is mine. From it, half is mine. आधा मेरा है. क्यों मेरा है? क्योंकि हमने एक साथ बैग देखा था. You only picked it first. आपने सिर्फ इसको जल्दी से पिक कर लिया था. गोपाल said, no, I picked up the bag first. देखा नहीं, मैंने पिक किया है पहले. I picked up the bag first, so it belongs to me. ने क्या बोला कि मैंने पहले पिक किया ना. Belong means it belongs to me. ये मेरा हो गया. Shiv was sad. They kept on walking. Gopal was happy. Now, Gopal was so greedy and selfish that he did not even realize Shiv was sad. Gopal happy था क्योंकि उसको कोट भी मिल गया था और बैग भी मिल गया था. लेकिन शिव तो बेटा बहुत सैड था ना, बिकॉज गोपाल कुछ भी शेयर करने को रेडी नहीं था. एंड ही वॉज नॉट इवन टेकिंग द फीलिंग्स ऑफ शिव. उसको सैड था तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. ही वॉज हैप्पी एंड ही वॉज वॉकिंग. आफ्टर सम टाइम दे मेट अ मैन. अब कौन मिल गया उनको? अब उनको एक मैन मिला. सबसे पहले कोट मिली, फिर बैग मिला पैसों का, मनी बैग मिला, अब एक मैन मिला. दे मेट अ मैन. He told them that the police were looking for the thief who had stolen a bag of money. और अब क्या हुआ कि पुलिस उनको ढूंढ रही है जिन लोगों ने पैसे लिए. They are looking for thieves. अब what would have happened कि thief को पता पक्का लग गया होगा कि पुलिस is coming after them. Thieves got to know कि पुलिस is coming after them. So they threw the bag near a bush and ran away. नहीं तो पुलिस उनको पकड़ लेगी. इस डर से उन्होंने बैग बुश के पास रख दिया, भाग गए. और वो बैग मिल गया गोपाल एंड शिव को. Then Gopal told Shiv, now we are in trouble. ने क्या बोला कि अब तो हम ट्रबल में हैं. And what is the meaning of trouble बेटा? Problem. अब तो हम प्रॉब्लम में. Now we are in trouble. The police will surely find us. Surely मतलब पक्का. पुलिस पक्का से हमको फाइंड कर लेगी. We will be caught. अब तो हम पकड़े जाएंगे. Shiv quickly turned and said, do not say we are in trouble. Now Shiv was sad. Now Shiv was angry also. He said, do not say we are in trouble. Since you kept the money, you are in trouble. उसने कहा आपने पैसे रखे हैं ना तो आप ट्रबल में हो. तुम ट्रबल में हो. Don't say हम. You did not give me the goat or share the money with me. क्यों तुमने मुझे कोट भी नहीं दिया और थोड़े सा शेयर भी नहीं दिया पैसों में से. तो आई विल नॉट बी कॉट. आई विल नॉट, क्योंकि मैं तो नहीं पकड़ा जाऊंगा. कोट इज विद यू, बैग मनी बैग इज ऑल्सो विद यू. आई एम एम्प्टी हैंड. व्हाई विल आई बी कॉट? मैं क्यों पकड़े जाऊंगा? सिंस द बैग इज विद यू, you will be punished. After saying this, Shiv went away. उसने बोला कि आपको पनिशमेंट मिलेगा ना, बैग तो आपके पास है. What is this word punished? Punished is when we have to pay for doing something wrong. जैसे पूरे वीडियो में बीच में बच्चे बोलते जा रहे हैं, मैम इट इज नॉट क्लियर, मैम इट इज नॉट क्लियर.
तो अपनी झाड़े जा रहा है.
तो उससे क्या होता है? All other 70 students are getting disturbed. I told you beta in the beginning also, you don't have to touch any button. फर्स्ट से सेकंड में बेटा थोड़ा चेंज आ जाता है.
मैम कहाँ पर है?
वो बहुत स्मार्टली एक्ट करना है. We have to become big. थोड़ा सा ज्यादा पढ़ना है.
पता है तेरे को?
थोड़ी सी बातें ज्यादा ध्यान से सुननी है. That is how you grow big. So you have to attend, listen and follow the instructions given by your teachers, all the teachers.
In the bag.
So here we learned that Gopal was very greedy boy, greedy traveler. He took everything and he did not share his share with Shiv. So we will be sending you PDF of this line, of this lesson. Children,
इसका
you
मतलब
have
क्या है
to
word
read
meaning
this
का?
lesson 3 to 4
हैं?
times. So that
Word meaning
you
का
can
question answer
understand
दिखाने जा
all
रहे हैं।
the
क्या दिखाने जा
words,
रही
you
हैं
can read each
Question
and every
answer, क्या?
sentence loudly
हाँ,
and
आप
understand
दिखाएंगे।
all its meaning.
सब
Also you
दिखाएंगे।
will
Word meaning
use
इसे
these
कहते हैं।
words in your day-to-day life so that you can frame sentences of your own.
मतलब ये जो वर्ड है
This
उसका
is
मीनिंग
how we will
बताओ।
grow big in class 2. Now look at the word things, and there are some examples of the sentences also. You will
देख मीनिंग पीपल
try to frame sentences in your own words also. First word is traveler. Traveler we explained to you also बच्चे. People who go from one
Traveler.
place to another. The traveler drank water
मैम का
from
सुन
the
तो
pot.
मैम का सुन
The traveler found a bag.
क्या
The
कह रही
traveler
है
found a goat. Greedy. Greedy is someone who is always wanting more and more. A person is very selfish, does not want to share also. So what is the meaning? Wanting a lot of money, food, etc. than you need. आपको जितना जरूरत है उससे भी ज्यादा चाहिए. Shyam was a greedy man. In the lesson, Gopal was a greedy traveler. Leaped. Jumped quickly. A frog leaped out of the pond. In our lesson, Gopal leaped at the bag when he saw it. Excited. Excited means very happy. I was excited on my birthday. I was excited when I saw my present. You feel happy. Now, here is a worksheet for you,
Worksheet.
which we have actually sent you earlier also. The passage was from this lesson only, beta.
वर्क सीट मतलब क्वेश्चन
I am going to read the passage and then we will just quickly look at the answers. It was a hot day.
बेटा अभी सुन तो
Two travelers
अब
were
सुनना
walking on the road.
सिक्स है ना सिक्स क्वेश्चन आंसर है ना सारे
After some time, they were tired.
two है।
Children, after some time, there is a comma. Can you see it?
एक क्वेश्चन
Don't
आंसर
say yes, just nod your head up and down. Yes, ma'am. After some time, they were tired. Whenever, beta, we are reading, we are practicing reading at home, whenever there is a comma, you have to pause. आपको रुकना है for few seconds. Blink of an eye. जब हम अपनी आंखें ऊपर नीचे करते हैं, उतनी देर रुकते हैं. After some time, they were tired. And this full stop के बाद भी हमको थोड़ा सा रुकना होता है for 2 or 3 seconds. They sat under a banyan tree. When they sat down, one said to the other, "Hello, I am Gopal." The other man said, "Hello, I am Shiv." They talked to each other for some time. Then they
अभी घर का
started
खाना होगा
walking
दोनों
again.
होगा जैसे क्या पढ़ने के टाइम में
Children, did you notice exclamation mark after hello? I told you this is exclamation mark. Now your question one was, who was walking on the road? And you know it, two travelers were walking on the road.
अभी इसको
Where were they going? They were going to the city. Now fill in the blanks also, you know it.
इसमें भी
Let
है
us quickly look at
चैप्टर लर्न
them.
करना है
They sat under
इसमें जो
a
चैप्टर है वो
banyan
मैडम पढ़ाई
tree.
लर्न करना है
Two travelers were walking on the road, and Gopal and Shiv were the names of the travelers. Now true and false, beta, for doing true and false, we have to read the lesson many times so that we are sure for answering yes or no. Right now we are only answering from this particular passage. The travelers sat under the banyan tree and did not talk to each other. False. They were tired na and they sat under a tree. Your next sentence is they were tired. True. They were tired. Now children, we have to go through this exercise which is who said these words.
ओए, क्या
What
कर रहा
is
भाई?
the meaning of who said these words? When in the session we said, mute your mics, listen attentively, listen carefully. So who said these words? Ma'am said these words. We will say the teacher said these words. Okay. So when we pick up the sentences from your lesson, जब हम आपके लेसन में से सेंटेंसेस लेते हैं तो हमको नेम करना पड़ता है who said that. For doing that, we have to read our lesson thrice at least to know yes, these words were said by this person. Let us look at our sentence one. Look, I found a goat. I will take it home. Now this line was said by Gopal. So our answer is Gopal said these words. Now again children, look up. Look के बाद क्या आ रहा है? After look is exclamation mark. As soon as Gopal became happy when he saw the goat, he became happy. So we use this exclamation mark.
कार अलग कि नहीं?
Next sentence, no.
तो अपना
Do
रीड कर
not
ले.
say I found it, but we found it. Now, who said these words? Shiv said these words because in the lesson he was again and again telling Gopal that don't say I, say we, say we. So this line has been said by Shiv. Number 3, no.
नंबर 3 रन कर नंबर 3 क्या है नंबर 3 दिखा?
It belongs to me.
नंबर 3 कौन है?
Now again, who said this line?
कौन सा है जल्दी
Gopal
बताओ.
said these words because he was
हाँ,
the
कौन सा?
greedy traveler. Whatever
क्या
he
बोल
was
रही है नंबर
getting,
3?
the goat, money, he said
C
it
number,
belongs
C.
to me.
ये देख.
Now,
A1 2
we
3
are in
C.
trouble.
No I
Who
pick it.
said these words?
No,
Gopal
I
said these words
pick
because
the
he was
bag.
so selfish that when the problem came, he said we are in trouble. अब हम trouble में हैं. So Gopal said these words. I am sure children that you have understood the lesson and you have understood all the meanings very well. We will be sending you PDF, बच्चे. You have to read the lesson twice, thrice, and you have to read it loudly also. You have to take care of pauses and you have to make sentences of all the difficult words.
this
Also, try to learn the spelling of difficult words, बच्चे. I hope you enjoyed this session. You understood your lesson. Till we meet again, be prepared with this lesson. Revise it very, very well. Try to stay safe, stay indoors, and stay happy, beta. Till we meet again, study well. Bye, bete. Have a good day.
चलो उठ. कहाँ कहीं नहीं जाना. कर अब कॉपी लेके आ बैठ गए. क्लास ख़त्म कहाँ हुई? क्लास ख़त्म हो गई? नहीं क्लास ख़त्म हो गई ये बता. ये देखिए चालू है क्लास. आ जा.